Tony Hawk. Is this so yummy? So Tony Hawk's having breakfast. He bit the flower off already. Oops. Go, Tony, you want that? He likes when his food's moving. I don't think he's very hungry.
Well, probably not.
Is he gonna eat it? Hi, Tony. Hi, Tony Hawk.
If the video gets too long, it's not going to send any quality, Mom.